Alright, this is Michael here, 6/15/2020, and what we're doing here is a wheel bearing test. Of course, I'm holding one hand, so what I do is push back and forth, see if there's any play. And another way is have a hand on each side of the tire and rotate the tire while you're pulling. Then another way is push in. While you're pushing in, have a hand on each side, going back and forth to see if there's any excess play. Let me say there's definitely a lot of play there. That's moving right on the hub assembly. You can tell it's moving in the front. Now that doesn't, for all vehicles, that doesn't mean it's guaranteed the wheel bearings, but it probably is. It could be a CV axle too, but as we see here, there is some wheel bearings laying there. So definitely know that is at least part of the problem. So I've already got the assembly, wheel bearing hub assembly, to change that. And with any job, safety, safety, safety. As you can see with the jacks and jack stands. Alright, that's going to do it now. Just documenting this job here. So until next time, I'm out.